Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically listen in private when you're on Spotify. So if you don't have this on, your friends are able to see if you're listening to a song. For instance, you just want to go offline, but you want to listen to a song, but you don't want your friends to see it. Just like your profile here and just like private session, you can also go to the settings page here and you can scroll down here to socials and start a private session. You can enable that or disable that once you're done with that private session. You can also turn off share my listening activity on Spotify. I think that has to do something with Discord. I'm not quite sure, because if you did turn off the activity on Discord, it's still going to show that you're listening to something on Spotify because it's connected. So if you don't want to, maybe just turn this off as well. But I just have those on because why not, you know? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.